My daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face, then I go to eat at 9 o'clock. Then I comb my hair. Then I put the tiara onto her hair. Now I dress up. I'm back. I dress her the backpack. Now I pull the shoes. I wanted to dress her shoes. I dress my shoes. I'm ready to go to school. I'm ready to go to school. I go to school to learn everything new. There's my daily routine.